Good morning, folks. Kathy here with Living Miracle Homestead. Well, it has stopped raining. Just got a couple of eggs. And the growth out here is crazy. Everything, we've had a lot of rain. I've got to show you some of the growth. You won't believe it. But before I do, I got to show you. Rain's still coming. It's supposed to be bright and sunny today. Yeah, right. Okay. Well, the peanuts are not up yet. I think there's one up right there, but they'll be breaking through in the next few days. Anyways, another one of those beans are up over here. I don't know what I spilt, but oh well. I'm gonna plant that somewhere too. Everything in there is growing like crazy too. And I'm fixing to take these all apart and redo them too. But I just wanted to show you, check this out. The peas, I better set these eggs down so I can show you everything. Okay, the peas are growing in just 3 days, 2 or 3 days. I think it's only been 2 days since I've been out here. They have grown from here all the way up to here. So that's pretty good. Let's see here. The scarlet runners. Look at this. They're already catching and going up. That so tickles me. I'm gonna help this one out a little bit. But check this out. It's already up to there. Oh, and go figure. Look, I already have aphids and ants. Ugh. I've got to do something about that today when I get home. And I think I'm going to go ahead and bring this one in and let it finish ripening in the house. That other one was delicious. So let's put this over here with the eggs. And check out these potatoes. Guys, y'all seen me. Cover them up real good. They're already out and about. Crazy, huh? And look how much these have grown since I put them in there. They only had these 2 leaves, and now they got all this other. I don't know what kind of plant, what kind of bean they are, but I can't wait. And these beans are doing really good too. Look at this lettuce. I'm so excited about the lettuce. I can't believe it has sprung up like that. It's too funny. And all these beans, the zucchini's looking better. You got little blooms on them, but they really need. I really believe they need to be fed because the leaves should be darker than that. So I'm going to go today on my way home and find a food that I can give them. So you see, everything's growing really great. These are growing really nice. They're all looking really good. And we were gonna move this, but looky here. I got leaves coming out on it. I don't know. I should probably still move it, but It's never done anything right here. So, anyways, get my eggs and my tomato and take them in the house. I'm real happy to see all that growing, and it's all this rain. I'm telling you. A lot of people complain about the rain, but the rain will make things grow like crazy. Look at this tomato plant. It has gone wild. I mean, totally wild. Everything out here is totally wild. Look at how much new growth I've got on my jaboticaba. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I love it. All the new green and, of course, the blooms, too, on my peach tree. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, I did not get out here yesterday to weed anything. And you can see the weeds are taking over. I had to find a way to make these tomatoes go back that way because they're starting to block my path. And these tomatoes over here are going out crazy too. Oh, that's a good thing to have. Plants going crazy, huh? I gotta fill in the holes too where my dumb dog, Ginger, dug out. Just dug out 2 of them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that dog. Now, I'm a little bit upset with the this. It has dropped a lot of its berries, and I don't know why. So I hope it doesn't drop anymore. But that was the one that was really loaded with all the blueberries. My girls are going in and out over there even though it's wet outside. And I need to pull those weeds in front of there. Get them freed up. But that'll be later on. I won't be doing it right now. And I am going to have a massive, massive amount of apples if this really has all these beautiful apples come up on it. I'm so excited to see that. Ton of blooms. Ton of blooms. And I know these girls have been in there doing their job too. I see my first few bananas on that rack right there. I would pull it in for you, but I got my hands full. So, anyways, you can see it, I'm sure. So I've got 3 racks up there so far. One over on the other side and one over on this side. You can't see it because of the leaves. So everything's in bloom too. You can see, well, not everything, but a lot of things are in bloom. Orchids, amaryllis, everything that I love. Oh, I gotta turn this. I had to turn this over on the side because it's had too much water. Gonna rain again, but I don't want the dirt to wash out. Anyways, let's go over here and check out the seedlings and see how they're doing. I pulled out the stuff around that little banana. I gotta get that to my girlfriend. Everything over here, you can see everything's wild, wild, wild. Wild like me, right? Oh, and yep, there's a lot of little mushrooms sprouted up. Check out the mushrooms. Anyways, I'm gonna separate these out today and put them in the ground. Look at all the mushrooms in that asparagus. It's crazy. And I'm gonna separate these out and put them out today too. Remember, I had put them over there. I want to say they did good, but I don't see them now. Oh yes, I do. I see some. I may put some more over there. And looky here. It's reseeded itself. That's the Mexican sunflower that Mac and Patty sent me from Southern Blessed Homestead. So, yeah, everything's looking good. I need to get some of the more of the stuff out. Let's go over here and check these, and I'll show these real quick. Yep, a few of these have stayed in, but I think I better. Oh Lord, and look at here. I have got my hands full today. When I come home, see them chewing on my stuff? I've got to get rid of them, or else they will eat everything down. Everything. They grow through everything. I saw some babies. We killed them with the kids the day before yesterday. That's the last time I was out here, the day before yesterday. And we seen some over here near the sidewalk, and we killed them. But yeah, now I've got to deal with those. So hopefully they won't eat them, but I got to get out of here. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll see you here next time. Living Miracle Homestead. Bye now.